After years of flagship phone prices slowly inching higher, or if we were lucky, staying the same, things have gotten pretty unpredictable lately. Big brands keep finding ways to push those price tags up, and sure, they'll point fingers at global economics, supply chains, or some complicated market forces. But let's be honest, keeping those profit margins nice and plump isn't exactly hurting their feelings either. But here's the twist. Not everyone's in on the make it more expensive game. In fact, Google seems to be taking a different approach this year with the Pixel 10 lineup, and it's actually kind of refreshing. No price hikes. None. Not for the Pixel 10, the 10 Pro, the big 10 Pro XL, or even the pricey foldable Pixel 10 Pro Fold. Before diving deep into today's video, a quick request. A single click on the subscribe button from you genuinely fuels my motivation to create more videos like this. It means a lot. Also, drop a like and comment if you like the video. Now let's get straight to today's topic. Compared to last year's models, prices are looking like they've been frozen in time. First, we heard whispers from Europe that Pixel 10 prices would match the Pixel 9 series. Then a similar leak dropped for the US. And now India has joined the party with some concrete numbers. The regular Pixel 10 with 256 gigs of storage is tipped to launch there at 79,999 rupees, just over $900 US. The exact same as the Pixel 9 with the same storage. The Pixel 10 Pro, same story. Around 109,999 rupees for 256 gigs. Pixel 10 Pro XL, 124,999. And the big foldable boy, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold, 172,999 rupees. The US prices follow the same pattern. We're talking $799 for the Pixel 10, $999 for the Pixel 10 Pro, $1,199 for the Pixel 10 Pro XL, and $1,799 for the Pixel 10 Pro Fold. These are all base models, of course, 128 gigs for the Pixel 10 and 10 Pro, while the XL and Fold start at 256 gigs. So in a world where phone prices seem to climb faster than your heart rate during a software update, Google's basically saying, nah, we're good. And honestly, I kind of respect it. The real question is Google playing it smart, keeping buyers happy while everyone else hikes prices, or are they just biding their time before hitting us with a jump next year?